These are instructions on how to use the evaluation site. It will ask you for a username and password. Your username is the email address you used when you registered for the conference. The password is lowercase WCEI. When you enter this site, you will notice that this site is only approved for physical therapy and physician evaluations. Also, you will only have 60 days in which to complete your evaluations for any of the live sessions that you attended. When you come into this page, you'll notice that two of the buttons are not active: Overall Evaluation and Certificate. These will become available once you begin your session evaluations. Let's go in and evaluate our sessions. The first thing you need to do is identify if you are a physician or a physical therapist. I'll go in as a PT. It will provide you the 3 days in which the conference sessions were available to you. I'll go into Thursday, and on this page, it's important to note a few things. First of all, you'll notice that for this session here, I am not able to evaluate it. This is because this session was only approved for physicians or CMEs. We've indicated it on each line item. An example here, this one is approved for both CMEs and PTs. I'll go ahead and enter the evaluation for my first session. You must complete the full evaluation in order to proceed. We offer an area for comments, and any comments are appreciated. Save and return. Notice that now I can either edit my evaluation if I want to alter my comments, or I can unevaluate it if I made a mistake and this was not the session I wanted to evaluate. I'll go in and evaluate a second one. And as you can see, it goes pretty quickly. Save and return. So let's pretend I've gone in and evaluated all the sessions that I attended for this day. Let's go ahead and return to the list of days. Now I would want to do my Fridays and my Saturdays. Please do not create your certificate until you've completed all the days of the sessions you attended. If you create the certificate before you've completed all your session evaluations, it will lock you out. So let's go ahead. I'm going to pretend that I've evaluated all my sessions. Now notice that the overall evaluation is active. If I come in here, I can go ahead and enter all of my evaluations, and we do appreciate all of your comments again. The other thing to notice is it will keep a tally of how many credits you have available based on your evaluations. Now I'm ready to complete my certificate. Again, if you create your certificate before you've completed all your session evaluations, it will lock you out and it will require you to contact us to reopen it. I'll go ahead and create my certificate. And now it gives you two options. I can either email the certificate to myself or download and print the certificate. When you download, it will look like this. This is your certificate. We do provide an area for you to enter your license and state. And the second page will itemize each session and how many CEs or CMEs each session is good for. I hope you found this video useful, and thank you again for participating in our conference.